Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be taking a close look at the Ranger EA for MT4 and MT5. This one's been around since 2020, priced at around 397 US dollars, and is specifically built for GBPCAD on M30 and AUDCAD on the hourly time frame. The developer promises steady monthly profits using a corrective trading approach. Let's break it all down honestly, the claims, the strategy, and what my own backtest actually showed. But before we get into all that, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have here. According to the MKL5 page, the Ranger EA has a very long forward track record of 12 months and over 10 years of backtesting at 99.90 modeling quality. You can see that all here. It's highlighted that backtesting data shows no losing months in 10 years. Projected monthly profit is 2.5 to 10% with default settings. It trades every week and focuses on GBPCAD and AUDCAD like a pro. The core idea is a corrective trading technique that turns losing trades into winners. It finds the best places to range trade the market using candlestick patterns and price action analysis. The EA is said to trade better than most humans and it is FIFO compliant. You can see most of those here. So we have all that here, what it's about. There's a live signal or there's a live account signal linked, as you can see here, showing real performance. And they also mention a combined demo signal with another EA. They strongly recommend downloading specific preset files for GBPCAD. They call it very necessary, while AUDCAD runs well on defaults. The message is clear, this EA has been optimized for these two pairs only and is not recommended for others. So overall, the pitch is consistent profits every month through smart range trading and recovery logic that handles drawdowns by turning things around. Now on the features, it's fully automated, comes with a built-in manual trading panel, so you can jump in and take your own trades if you want. There's customizable settings, built-in money management, and detailed instructions. They offer full support and free updates. Key settings revolve around risk management, lot sizing, and of course using the right presets for each pair. They emphasize that the default settings work best for AUDCAD, while GBPCAD needs that special set file. It includes things like grid spacing, adjustments, and exposure controls under the hood, all designed to make it user-friendly while sticking to those two currency pairs. Alright, so we have some of the developers backtests. You can see AUDCAD for a 10-year period, backtest using 99.90 modeling quality, and you can see there's a gain of um 104 over 104,000% for the period. So that's quite remarkable. And in this other instance, on the GBP CAD, we have a gain of 3,910% and a profit of $39,104. You can see equity curves as well, how they move straight up. Even though it looks like it starts off slowly, but then over time, it looks like it is also in very decent upside and gains. But let's see if this holds true when I take it through my own personal back tests. All right, so as recommended by the developer, I'm trading on the backtesting on the AUDCAD pair using the hourly time frame as recommended, and my backtest period is over a year, from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026, on a 10K account. You can see. So looking at the equity curve here, You see a mostly steady upward grind with some flat periods, but there are noticeable dips as we have over here, especially this sharp drawdown around mid 2025, where equity dropped hard before recovering. The deposit load shows multiple positions opening up during those times, which lines up with the averaging behavior. As for the key stats, total net profit was just $6.33 over the test period. Profit factor came in at 1.55. Balance drawdown stayed very low at around 0.08%. All right, so we have that. Okay. So compared to the developer's claims of no losing months and 2.5 to 10% monthly, my results were much more modest. The thing is, this is typical for grid-style corrective systems. They look amazing in optimized backtests on specific pairs, but the real-world equity swings and recovery periods can be longer and more stressful than the marketing suggests. Honestly, the features that actually matter are the pair-specific presets, your VIX and lot settings, and keeping a close eye on max exposure. The candlestick and price action entry logic is there, but the flex grid recovery is what carries most of the weight. Nuances and risks. In ranging markets on GBPCAD and AUDCAD, it can do well, but strong trends or news events can stack positions against you quickly. Okay, expect higher drawdowns in live trading due to spreads, slippage, and real execution. Is broker dependent. Low spread ECN is basically required. Core fitting risk is there since it's heavily tuned to two pairs over long history. Who's it for? This is for experienced traders who understand averaging systems, have solid risk management, and can handle open drawdowns while waiting for recovery. It's good if you're patient and focus only on those pairs. Who should avoid it? Beginners, anyone risk averse, or people wanting a super smooth equity curve without the occasional stomach churning dips. Overall, it's a niche tool that can work if you expect the risks and test thoroughly on demo first. Not a set and forget miracle, but a solid option in the right hands. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot with lots of indicators and candlestick patterns from the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.